2023 সালের আগে ল্যান্ড সার্ভে আপিল ট্রাইব্যুনালে মামলা করতে গেলে হাইকোর্টে কনস্টিটিউশনের 102 ধারায় রিট পিটিশন করতে হতো। 2023 সালে ল্যান্ড সার্ভে আপিল ট্রাইব্যুনাল গঠন হওয়ার পর সেই মামলাগুলো ল্যান্ড সার্ভে ট্রাইব্যুনালে প্রেরণ করা হয়েছে। আমরা এখন এরকম একটা হাইকোর্টের জাজমেন্টের অর্ডার দেখব। In the Supreme Court of Bangladesh High Court Division, Special Original Jurisdiction, Writ Petition number 225/25/2021 in the matter of an application under Article 102 of the Constitution of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, and in the matter of Mohammad Amjad Ali, petitioner, Land Survey Tribunal, Nator, and others. Respondent, Mr. Abul Sarkar, advocate for the petitioner. For the respondent, Government Attorney General. Heard and judgment of 11 November 2024. Present, Mr. Justice and Mr. Justice তাদের নাম. Today, the matter has appeared in the list for order. In this rule, NISI, the petitioner have challenged the impeachment judgment and decree dated 18 November 2019, decree signed on 20 November 2019, passed and the Land Survey Tribunal Nator in the Land Survey suit number 111 of 2024, Annexure A and 1 respectively, to be declared to have been passed without lawful authority and hence of no legal effect. At this time of issuance of the rule 12/12/22, an interim direction was given upon the respective contending parties to maintain status quo in respect of position and possession of the case property for a prescribed period. However, during pendency of the instant rule, Parliament via a State Acquisition and Tenancy Act Amendment Act 2023, Act number 24 of 23, made amendment of Section 145B of the State Acquisition and Tenancy Act 1950 by replacing subsection 3 and inserting subsection 3A, 3B and 3C, and thereby empowering the learned district judge in each district to act as the appellate tribunal of the respective district. Section 145B of the State Acquisition and Tenancy Act 1915 as amendment vide Act of 24 of 23 in quoted below. Act number 1951 এর সাবসেকশন 145B এর সংশোধন উক্ত অ্যাক্টের সাবসেকশন 145B এর সাবসেকশন 3 এর পরিবর্তে নিম্নরূপ সাবসেকশন প্রতিস্থাপিত হইবে, যথা The government shall appoint the judge of the Land Survey Appellate Tribunal from among the persons who are district judge, and subsection 3 এর পর নিম্নরূপ নতুন সাবসেকশন 3A, 3B এবং 3C সন্নিবেশিত হইবে, যথা 3A. Until such judge is appointed under subsection 3, the government may empower the district judge as the judge of the Land Survey Appeal Tribunal of the district. 3B. The district judge empowered under subsection 3B shall be deemed to the judge of the Land Survey Appellate Tribunal appointed under subsection 3C. The government may, if necessary, appoint one or more additional district judge as judge of the Land Survey Appellate Tribunal to hear appeals transferred by the judge of the Land Survey Appellate Tribunal appointed or empowered under this section. Under the circumstance, since the learned district judge of the each district is now empowered to act as the judge of the learned Land Survey Appellate Tribunal, as such the petitioner is accordingly directed to prefer appeal before the concerned Land Survey Appellate Tribunal challenging the said judgment and decree which is now under challenge in connection with instant writ petition in accordance with law within the prescribed period as provided under the statutes. However, the time for preferring appeal shall start running from the date of the receipt of the copy of this order. The interim order of the status quo be continued till preferring appeal before the Land Survey Appellate Tribunal concerned with the above observation and direction. This rule is accordingly disposed of without any order as to cost. The petitioner is at liberty to take back the certified copy which has been annexed in connection with the instant writ petition upon replacing the same with photocopies thereof. Communicate the order at once.